Hello friends. Today in this video I'll show you how we can convert our simple image into a super pop-out image. So without any delay, let's get started. Here we have an image of Lady. First of all, we will make a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl+J. For now we will hide this layer as we will need this image later. Create a new layer above background layer and rename it as frame. To create a frame in this layer, I will use rectangular selection tool and will make a selection on the bottom area of our image. Go to Edit tab and select Stroke. Select Image White. Location inside. And width almost 20 pixel. You can change width depending on resolution of your image. This will create a white stroke inside of our selection. Now I'll transform this stroke in frame style. For this, go to Edit tab, Transform in Perspective. Click on upper corner and move inside. I want to lower the top edge of frame, so press Ctrl+T and move the upper border of frame a little bit low. It's looking perfect here. Deselect the selection by pressing Ctrl+D. Now use the magic wand tool and click inside the frame. Go to background layer and click on mask icon. This will make a mask of our only required background image. Now unhide the top layer, which we may hide in the start of this process. We need to make a selection of this lady, so I will click on Select Subject. To make selection more refined, click on Select and Mask. Click on Refine Hair. Increase contrast a little bit. This will make edges sharp. For output, select New Layer with Layer Mask. Finally, create a new layer and move it in the bottom of all layers. I am going to make a gradient in this layer. Select foreground color black and background color gray. Use Gradient tool and create a gradient. So this is our final image. If you like this tutorial, then please don't forget to subscribe the channel and share this video. See you in the next video.